Many men assume that feeling slower, weaker, or less energetic is simply part of aging. Mornings feel heavy, energy fades quickly, and motivation seems harder to summon. Muscles aren't as firm, recovery takes longer, and the body feels softer and less responsive. The typical explanation is age itself. But what if the real cause isn't aging, but a disruption in the body's natural nighttime repair rhythm? This subtle change often leaves men over 50 waking up tired, drained, and disconnected from the body they once knew. Your body does its most vital work at night. While you sleep, hormones balance, muscles repair, blood vessels heal, and energy reserves are rebuilt. In youth, this process happens automatically. Over time, however, the signals that tell the body when and how to repair begin to weaken. The body still knows how to restore itself, but without clear cues, repair becomes incomplete. The result is fatigue and a sense of heaviness even after what should have been a full night's rest. At the cellular level, mitochondria, tiny power generators inside every cell, gradually lose efficiency after 50. They produce less energy for muscles, nerves, and vital organs. Fatigue becomes more noticeable, recovery slows, circulation weakens, and motivation drops. Many men blame this on willpower, but it's biological. Low-level inflammation also builds quietly, stiffening arteries, slowing nerve signals, and disrupting muscle repair. Together, these changes create that persistent sluggishness many men feel. Magnesium is commonly recommended for relaxation, sleep, and muscle support. While it helps, magnesium alone cannot fully restore the body's repair system. Without the right nutrients to help it enter cells and activate repair pathways, much of it passes unused. True restoration happens when nutrients work together, especially at night when the body is naturally primed for repair. Two vitamins play a critical role in reactivating this nighttime repair system: vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. Vitamin D3 is known for supporting bones and immunity, but it also influences hundreds of genes involved in hormone regulation, circulation, energy production, and cellular repair. D3 levels naturally decline with age due to reduced sun exposure, lower absorption, and hormonal changes. Low D3 can stiffen blood vessels, slow circulation, and sap energy. But D3 cannot work effectively without vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 acts as a guide, directing calcium to bones and muscles while keeping it out of arteries. Without K2, even men who supplement with D3 may struggle with poor circulation and a sense of decline. Together, D3 and K2 keep arteries flexible, improve blood flow, and enhance magnesium's ability to relax the nervous system and support deep, restorative sleep. Timing is crucial. Taken in the evening, D3 and K2 activate repair pathways just as melatonin rises. Magnesium closer to bedtime signals the brain and muscles that it's time to rebuild. This alignment allows the body to restore itself naturally. Over weeks of consistent use, sleep deepens, recovery improves, circulation strengthens, and energy steadily returns. As repair and circulation improve, hormone levels often rebalance naturally. Testosterone, growth hormone, and thyroid function can move toward healthier ranges without stimulants or artificial boosters. Many men report not just feeling better, but feeling more like themselves again. Consistency is key. The body responds to repeated nightly signals, not short-term interventions. After several weeks, the repair system begins functioning more like it did years ago. The truth is, decline is not inevitable. Your body's not broken. It hasn't forgotten how to function. It simply needs the right cues at the right time. Supporting your natural nighttime repair rhythm with magnesium, vitamin D3, and vitamin K2 gives your body the chance to rebuild strength, energy, and balance. Each night becomes an opportunity to restore, and each morning becomes a reminder that vitality and confidence aren't behind you. They're waiting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.